MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban klanya ke parti na kabenta ke election arajar popra ke jala Meghalaya ke parti BJP Bhoi district menta ke sini kelapri ke office bapura hanongpoh na kabenta ban longkum ke Slemban Sandori ki kam jong ke parti baru banang klanya susu ya ke parti da ke jing temu Pynieng Kyrtong habarok santali ki constituency ki badan hari Bhoi district ya kini ke office jong ke parti BJP Bhoi district lawan ban play the Ringman G coming ubade state president ke BJP harengkat ke jing don lang state general secretary ke BJP uba wankil bok posna state secretary Daniela Nonglan u district president ke BJP Bhoi Basen Thaba ki mandal presiden na ki constituency lembar ki nutrai jong ke parti kini ke office kam datang ke office jong ke district BJP kari Bhoi bar ka ru ke office jong baru ke BJP mandal hari Bhoi haba ajing kuran hagani ke sengi na du state president ke BJP Rukman G Coming state general secretary ba wan kil bok posna kilapan payo ke jing keban bak BJP hari Bhoi kilala ban play la ke jong ke office kaban longkum ke jakaban sanjor ne pen klanya ke parti kilapan paru ke jing keban bakat dang mi ki sengi ke parti BJP keladang klanya hari Bhoi bat kani ke dei ke jing turai tom kinong yalam ha ka bakik mi lentiru ba ka BJP kandang tray borba banyo e ka jing kershan na ki pajba knang ba ka parti kandang la banwan ra ka jing kelam bat ki kampan roy ha kani ka district ka badai ha ka jing yalam Narendra Modi kum menteri rang ba kari shishu kilapan pawru ba kani ka dei ka jing sedang ka parti ban penklanya ka parti hari Bhoi bar kilarai ru ban Pynieng Kyrtong na ki santali ki constituency hari Bhoi ha ka election arajar popra bat ki mi lentiru ba kari Bhoi kan pen mi ya ki MLA ka BJP na ri Bhoi na banta ban tray ki kampan roy na ka banta ki pajba kari Bhoi district
yang dapat kawan. Te kani kecimpli kani office mentasi do state president ni Rukman G Woman kapau syai ba nang ni suman ngin sedang ban thung yau tau sembai ba ngin habban ngin ai kaspo ngin ai kuhum ngin ai ki krang banginyo ban sei kita ki nongi kun sya kata election ka bangat ay sang apply pride mo kedomentan ti nga kerman ba nampro kini kisan mandal nga tay ni sayo kita ki nongile kinongya ireng ha kateng jong party at symbol jong party but kani ko office si kani kata jing sedang but nga ketpok ketwian district president ba ka team jong district but bro kisan mandal president number ba kani ka office ka dei jong district but bro ki san mandal ru ki dan bejo ko hop hoy si kamera i pemala kedong ne si kamera kan kanyo nongpoh re ngathai bagani hi office jong pro kisan ki mandan te bidan bejo ko hop te ngikerman ba nangi smart ne trace tom kumangisi ong kaleng ba kaleng khai gayat re hoy ni sotho ginong tre gidang tuna ba ngai ba mantasi ka I sim ba kari Bhoi district kalanang kalanang kiu ban ngilanang yo kat ni kita ginong kitam jong parti bangi kernan ban ibe na pinang walam sasipo arpo sanpo mut hadin jong pi ban penklan ya kimandal jong pi ban penklan ginut jong pi kamtam ni polling booth but syo bangan penkut kaswa penklo ini ba nagalang ka parti pitan bigam haga parti BJP ka parti batlay combine lifespan of sansni tigi buat ba agizat program baka party ka bensyat hengi but kita ki program hindi baka party ko pa ayangi bangin sule kita program hindi dari pagi program dari party.
I think everyone has given their speeches, but I want to give this opportunity to discuss with you all. I think I will just lecture and I'll go. That doesn't make much valuable. Instead of that, I want to discuss with all the mandals whether they are from nongpoh, Jirang, whichever the mandal. Let's start discussing about 2028 more. Because if I keep on lecturing, that lecture will go on in this room only. So please give me suggestion how to bring up this Bhoi district and we get our own MLA. So from today, let us start thinking. Now you start giving me that suggestion. How to bring up a good candidate, how to bring up a good party leaders. We have a very good leaders with us. a very talented leaders with us. But why our party is not growing? That also I need a suggestion from you. We are nothing behind any other party. We are not behind NPP. Everyone is scared for NPP. Why should we scared of NPP? It is only we doesn't work. Everyone think that NPP paisa wala hai, they will buy us. But if we can explain to our people the work which BJP has done to the poor of the poorest, our Prime Minister who has given us such a good scheme to us, that also we can do. We can start with that also. Without money, we can at least explain to the people, and let us groom a good people, groom a good leader. Whatever seat we have, the difficulties organizing this Bhoi district. Our district president has done a good job with his team. I congratulate him. Of course, we have other different groups also, what you call a factional group. A factional group should not be there, and I will not accept any factional group. Because I myself always believe in one party work. We have to be everyone together. There should not be a second BJP. There will be only one BJP. As long as I am state president, the district committee will be as it is. I am not going to change it. So, my dear friends, please remember this. As long as Rekman Muhammad is here, the district committee will be there. In case if something has to be changed, I will discuss with the district committee and I will do it. So, my friend, there is no other place to be, there is no room at all to be go against our own party. If somebody goes against the party or against individual, he or she will be against party, and he will be called anti-party activist.
meghalayapost.news